Hello everyone, welcome to Hilton Garden Inn. My name is Chef Giri. Today I am cooking lemongrass chicken. First of all, we will heat our pan, allow some oil to get heated up. Then we'll add some boneless chicken to it so that it gets fried. So here are the chopped garlics, bit of chopped ginger, on side by side you have been seeing that chicken has been getting cooked. After the garlic and ginger has been cooked up, we'll add some diced capsicum and diced onions. So now we'll flavor our chicken by lemongrass, just giving a slice to it. So here are the sliced lemongrass to give the flavor to your chicken. Now we'll season our lemongrass with some sauces. Here we are using the hot chili sauce. A half spoon of oyster sauce. Now we again mix it together with all the ingredients. Now we'll season our chicken with some sugar, a bit of salt, some of the broth powder, and some with pepper. As you see, our chicken has been cooked up. We'll add our chicken which has been cooked up. Now we just need to toss it up, mix it together. So here's the lemongrass chicken. It's been looked how it's been cooked up.